If you are young, I think these tips will help you to make more money, and that is just try to get a job that would pay you more or at least $20 per hour, and might take a lot of time to research and to do something, but I feel like if you try hard enough you'd be able to get that amount. I don't know, you just have to keep searching and just need to search and search. And I don't know how you can do it, but even now Amazon will pay you more than $20 per hour. Just try to apply, try to find some other if you can't. But yeah, I feel like you need to do something that's at least $20 per hour. If that's the benchmark, I would say that would be the best. And don't try to do something, $8 per hour. Just feel like waste a lot of your time. If you want to get started in the beginning with that, yeah, that's okay. But I hope you have a car and have some money in the savings. Dave Ramsey says to save $1,000 for an emergency, and the book uh, about Dave Ramsey, Note 7, I don't know, Total Money Makeover. That is a good book, and that is one of my recommendation as well. Read books that will really help you. If you want to start a business, then read books about business, and you need ideas. You need to consume more of those ideas if you want to grow in that. But if you do want to make high income, it's don't wait for a raise. Just try to just switch from one to another, and you need to think more and research and do a lot of work outside of this, and I hope you can do that. So you can start to make more and start your journey, and I that's not the end. You'll keep growing and growing from there as well.